Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Son of Adam. Put some water and ice in a martini glass and let that sit on the side while you're making your drink, and it'll be nice and chilled by the time you're done. Okay, measure out 1.5 ounces of light rum, and follow that up with 1/2 ounce of apricot brandy. And we'll add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And 1/2 teaspoon of superfine sugar. And finally, 1 teaspoon of grenadine. All right. Now let's just shake it up. You want to make sure you get it nice and cold, as with any drink that you're serving up. But in this case, since we have the sugar in there, I'm going to make sure you get that dissolved as well. Okay. Dump out your ice water. And strain it in. Okay. And that is Son of Adam. Bottoms up.